Hi everyone, welcome to another CLDR preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. Please pause the video if necessary to understand the requirement and then resume when ready. Let us begin. This question says, which of the following is an effect of setting reentrancy for a top-level VI? So whenever you change the option of the VI to become reentrant, what actually happens is it only affects the particular VI and not the content, that is the other sub VIs inside the VI. That basically means the correct answer is going to be A, makes only the top level VI reentrant. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next CLDR question. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified for new LabVIEW videos.